What is up YouTube? Ruben here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install Windows 3.1 in VirtualBox. Now, you're going to need VirtualBox, WinRAR, the direct link to WinWorld PC to get the images, or the floppy images I should say. And you're also going to need to watch my MS-DOS 6.22 video because you're going to need that to install Windows 3.1. So let's go ahead and get started. So hit new. Now you're going to type in Windows 3.1. Then hit next, next, create, next, 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 and hit or create. Now hit settings. Storage, you're going to remove the attachment for the optical drive. You're not going to need that because we'll be using floppies. Then click on the floppy controller. Just click on the empty floppy disk. Just hit that floppy icon, then click on choose virtual floppy disk file. And you're going to have to install MS-DOS 6.22 first. And hit OK. So now I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. So once I finish installing MS-DOS 6.22, I'll resume the video. So once you finish installing MS-DOS 6.22, now you can go ahead and install Windows 3.1. Located right here. You're going to type in A:, then type in setup, then hit enter, enter, and now we're going to do disk number 2. Just sit and relax here until we get to this screen right here. So I'm going to type in my name and hit OK, and you hit continue, 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 and now you're going to insert disk number 4. So let's do that. For some reason it skips disk number 6, no, disk number 7, because that's for the printer drivers. If this shows up, just hit cancel. You don't even need a printer. Make sure it's set to MS-DOS editor and hit OK. Skip the tutorial and now click on reboot. Then type in Win. And there you go. That's how to install Windows 3.1 in VirtualBox. If I click on help and hit about program manager, it should say Windows 3.1. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon when I upload new videos, or make a live stream, of course. That way you get notified. And also follow me on Twitter at RubenUpAdicio17 or Instagram at RubenTheTransitFan. So, I'll see you next time.